This is known as the Geisha Girl, the Golden Dewdrop, the Golden Sapphire Dewdrop. Doing pretty well. Some rain. It watered last night again, and you can see the spikiness of the leaves on the second one. And the very top lost their 2 leaves, and it grew 2 more leaves right there, and another few leaves over there. So this will be picking up anytime soon. The thing is, I may want to now transplant it, put in a little bit bigger jar, a pot, and that should get this thing going. The Geisha Girl, Golden Sapphire Dewdrop, from a stem. It's growing mighty well.